So what's your name?
Robbie.
Robbie?
Yeah.
What do you like to do, Robbie?
I chew gum.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of gum do you like?
Mint gum.
Really?
Ugh.
What do you like about mint gum?
It's minty.
Okay, well, where are you from, Robbie?
Wisconsin.
Did you like Wisconsin?
No.
Why not?
Cheese.
What's wrong with cheese?
It's moist and wet. And it tickles your brows.
Oh, okay, well, do you have any friends, Robbie?
My teddy bear.
What's your teddy bear's name?
Robbie Jr.
Robbie Jr.?
Yeah.
Does-
Me and this pretty girl at school, we made it together. Together.
No. Well, what school do you attend?
That's private.
Oh, okay. Well, what are your hobbies, Robbie?
Chewing gum.
Chewing gum?
Yeah.
Can you show me how you chew gum?
Viciously. I'm like a hamster on speed.
Do you like chewing gum like that? Do you like chewing gum like that, Robbie? Okay. Well, do you have any special talents? Special talents?
Sometimes when I think really hard, my eyes shake.
Oh, okay. Well, can you say bye to the camera?
No.
Can you say bye, Robbie?
Gum.
Bye, Robbie.
Uh,
Bye, Robbie. Bye, Robbie.